Hello my dear students, this is Mr. Ibrahim and today we're going to explain solving an equation of second degree. If I have this question, find the solution set of 3x squared equal 5x minus 1 rounding the result to two decimals, please. First I have to distribute my equation here. I have 3x squared in the left hand side and the right hand side I have 5x minus 1. So of course if we didn't have a sign in the opposite of x square coefficient, so it will be positive. So the inverse of positive, it will be negative. I'll shift it to the other side with negative. Now I have 5x minus 1 minus 3x squared. I'll distribute it according to the power of x. As you can see here, I have negative 3x squared plus 5x minus 1 equals 0. So I'll multiply my equation with negative 1 to make the coefficient of x squared positive. It will be 3x squared. Of course here it will be positive. I'll make it negative, and here negative, negative times negative equal positive. So 3x, my equation here, 3x minus 5x plus 1 equals 0. Now I'll use the general formula for solving second degree equation. As you can see here, I have three letters A, B, C. A referring to the coefficient of x squared, B referring to the coefficient of x, and C the absolute term. Of course here we have positive 1. So A the coefficient of x squared, B it will be negative 5, and C positive 1. Here our general formula, x equal negative b, positive or negative the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now I'm going to substitute with a, b, c in our general formula. So here I have negative b, it will be negative 5. Of course we can change it to positive or negative b, it will be negative 5 squared minus 4 times 3 times 1 divided by 2 times 3. So if we calculate this with our calculator, it's give me x equal 5 positive or negative the square root of 13 divided by 6. As you can see here, this is my final answer in our calculator. Here with positive or negative, I can separate it to two solutions. First solution with positive, the other solution with negative. It will be 5 plus the square root of 13 divided by 6, and x2 equal 5 minus square root of 13 divided by 6. As you can see here, the question asked me about the rounding the result to two decimal places. So I'll calculate. If I use my calculator to find the decimal places and for this answer, it's gonna be 1.43. This is round because the question asked me to two decimal places. So first x equal 1.43 and the other x equal 0.23. So this is the final answer here, x1 and x2 for this second degree equation. So the solution set will be SS referring to the solution set. It will be 1.43 and 0.23.